We live in the modern world, so if you still don't have a dashcam installed in your car right now, you're missing out in recording so many moments you could use later as proof. Let me explain. This dashcam offers 4K recording and comes with 3 channels, so you can record the front, the rear and inside of the car so you can capture every moment. It's also equipped with Wi-Fi and the app is free to download and use, as well as it comes with a built-in GPS to record speed and acceleration, and the night vision captures every detail at night. It includes this 64GB SD card and card reader, so you can plug this into your laptop or even download the clips directly into your phone. In the website you'll find cameras for almost every vehicle. Just go to the link below. You also get to download the FitCam app using the QR code found in the user manual. It's free and no subscription is required. Plus, you get an 8% discount using the coupon code below. Just go to the description below, click on the website and type in the coupon code at checkout. So now let me quickly show you how to install this dashcam in this Sentra car. It's very fast and easy. This installation should take you 5 to 10 minutes and you don't really need any tools to install this camera. And you can mount this on the right or left side of the windshield. I chose the driver's side so that I can have easier access to the dashcam. So now let me plug down everything and get this up and running. This camera plugs into the cigarette lighter to draw power from it. Now all there is to do is to hide the cable inside the headliner and start by removing this plastic cover using the lever found inside the kit. Remove that and start feeding the wire inside the headliner. A few features for this camera are 4K high-resolution recording, 170 degrees wide-angle lens, easy and quick installation, and app and Wi-Fi support. And just squeeze this cable inside any gaps and crevices. Now do the same thing for the rear camera, and you might think that this is difficult to do, but it's actually very easy, and just watch and you'll see how easy it is to install it. It all takes a few minutes and that's all you have to do. And I'm not making any effort when hiding the cable inside the headliner. The only thing that takes some effort is when hiding the cable inside the frame door seals, but it's not rocket science. This has to be a 20-foot long cable to fit all those large vehicles, so I hid the rest of the cable inside this panel. Lastly, place the camera in its position so the image doesn't look upside down or the license plates look inverted on the screen. The last steps are to install the included 64GB SD card and start configuring the dashcam and start using your camera. You can also make adjustments using the app, replay clips and download those clips into your phone. And also this is the built-in GPS, so that when you start driving, this will record the speed, altitude and acceleration into the clips. Notice at how clearly you can record license plates even at night situations. And you'll also be able to clearly record license plates using the rear camera. And you'll be able to see every single detail inside the cab when the night vision is activated at low light conditions. So if you still don't have a dashcam installed in this day and age, don't wait any longer. Choose this as your dashcam. Plus you get an 8% discount using the coupon code below. Just go to the description below, click on the website and type in the coupon code at checkout.